Hey guys, if you are watching this video, then it means that you downloaded our Expert Advisor software that we've uploaded to MQL5. And you will know that once you've downloaded the Expert Advisor software, it would be under the navigation pane, under Expert Advisors, and under Market, you will find the TrendSpotter EA. All you need to do is drag and drop it over to the open window. Then you'll find a brief description of the TrendSpotter and a disclaimer. You can read that in your own time. Note that if you click on the Inputs tabs, you have all the settings, be it that you want to do scalping or even day trading, you can use it as you see fit. Again, going back into the Common tab, make sure that your algo trading is enabled here at the bottom. All you need to do is select the OK button, and then it will be loaded and ready for you to trade. Also, make sure that your algo trading button is enabled or switched on when you are trading. So thank you guys for using our product. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel, which you'll find in the description below. In our link, you will find more videos around the EA and how to use it best. Thanks.